Goodwill brings to you the major happenings in the stock market for the first week of February. The Hinduja Group is looking to increase its stake in IndusInd Bank to 26% from the existing 16.51%. Sanjeev Singhal, with effect from February 1, 2023, has been given additional charge of chairman and managing director of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders. Inox Green Energy Services entered into a definitive investment agreement with Ifox Windtechnic India, an independent O&M wind service provider, to acquire 51% stake in Ifox at 35,947.71 rupees per share. Lakita Infrastructure has received an order worth 129.63 rupees crore from GAIL India. The scope of work included pipeline laying and composite works for Part B, Nagpur Jharsuguda, of MNYJPL project. Apollo Tyres has reported a 31% year-on-year growth in consolidated profit at 292.1 rupees crore for December financial year 23 quarter despite spike in input and finance costs. The government does not plan to sell additional shares of state-run Life Insurance Corp of India to the public in financial year 24 due to unfavorable market conditions and weak retail demand. Ashok Leyland has sold 17,200 units in the month of January 2023, growing 23% over a year ago period with healthy growth across segments. Medium and heavy commercial vehicle sales increased by 28% to 11,050 units in the same period, and light commercial vehicle segment registered 17% year-on-year growth at 6,150 units for January. Coal India has announced production of 71.9 million tons of coal for January 2023, growing 11.5% over a year ago month, while offtake rose by 6.1% to 64.5 million tons in the same period. These are provisional numbers. UTI-AMC has registered a 53% year-on-year decline in consolidated profit at 60 rupees crore for December financial year 23 quarter, impacted by lower topline and net loss on fair value changes. Revenue from operations at 295 rupees crore for the quarter fell by 4.3% compared to year-ago period as net gain on fair value changes nil in quarter 3 financial year 23 against 20.5 crore rupees in quarter 3 financial year 22. Burger Paints has recorded a 20.5% year-on-year decline in consolidated profit at 200.94 rupees crore for quarter ended December financial year 23 impacted by weak operating margin performance. For market movers we have, Likes Limited has moved up by 28.92% this week. As we can see in the chart, stock was trading with volume of 6,73,000. Also, the stock is trading above its moving average, which comes to 47.05 rupees, which is positive sign for the stock. The relative strength index for the stock is above 50, representing uptrend in the stock. A big green Marubozu candle can be seen this week, signifying positive signs in this stock in short term. Deep Diamond India Limited has moved up by 27.13% this week. As we can see in the chart, stock was trading with volume of 8.54 million. Also, the stock is trading above its moving average, which comes to 14.65 rupees, which is positive sign for the stock. The relative strength index for the stock is above 50, representing uptrend in the stock. A big green candle can be seen this week, signifying positive signs in this stock in short term. Billcare Limited has moved up by 20.37% this week. As we can see in the chart, stock was trading with volume of 5,16,148. Also, the stock is trading above its moving average, which comes to 46.60 rupees, which is positive sign for the stock. The relative strength index for the stock is above 50, representing uptrend in the stock. A big green candle can be seen this week, signifying positive signs in this stock in short term. Eros Media has moved up by 27.18% this week. As we can see in the chart, stock was trading with volume of 3.49 million. Also, the stock is trading above its moving average, which comes to 27.30 rupees, which is positive sign for the stock. The relative strength index for the stock is above 50, representing uptrend in the stock. A big green candle can be seen this week, signifying positive signs in this stock in short term. Now, let's see Nifty and Bank Nifty movement and expectation. The Nifty climbed to a week's high on February 3rd despite a mixed trend in the global market, driven by buying in banking and financial services, auto, FMCG, and information and technology stocks. The index opened 100 points higher but drifted lower to the day's low of 17,584, but recovered smartly to close end at 17,854, up 244 points or 1.38%, the biggest single-day gain since November 11, 2022. It formed a bullish candle on the daily charts, with a long lower shadow indicating support-based buying. It again defended 200 EMA, exponential moving average 17,550. For the week, it gained 250 points, or 1.42%, the biggest weekly gains in 5 weeks, forming a large bullish candlestick pattern. A minor pullback rally is possible if the index trades above 17,650. On the flip side, selling pressure is likely to accelerate only after the dismissal of 17,550 and below. The index could slip till 17,400. The Bank Nifty played a crucial role in the rally, trading high throughout the session. The index closed 830 points, or 2%, higher at 41,500, the crucial resistance area, forming a bullish candle on the daily charts. The next level to watch would be 50 EMA, 42,005, and 21 EMA, 41,693, with support at 39,761, the low of February 2nd. The index's immediate support on the downside stands at the 41,000 to 40,800 zone, and one should keep a buy on dips approach. The upside hurdle continues to be 42,000, where the highest open interest is built up on the call side. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.